Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Android gesture navigation. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Step 1. Go to Settings, look for Display or Display on Brightness. Navigate to Navigation Bar or System Navigation. Select Gesture Navigation or similar option. Step 2. Gesture Navigation Gestures. Swipe up from the bottom to go home. Swipe up and hold for recent app. Swipe from the left or right edge to go back. Step 3. The method may vary, but usually involves swiping horizontally on the bottom edge. Step 4. On some devices, you might need to swipe up on the home screen to access the app drawer. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.